It is Pride Month, my dudes. Ah!
Hey everybody, it's Jay and happy Pride Month to all of you. Today I have some awesome Pride DIYs for dolls, so let's get started with the first and easiest one. The only thing we will need is rainbow loom. Just assemble them in the pride flag of your choice and you have a lovely bracelet for your doll. For the next DIY, we are going to need some shrink plastic, colored pencils, and some scissors, and of course an oven. We are making some pride buttons we can later attach to our dolls with double-sided tape. Sadly, the plastic often warps, so circles aren't really the best shape of choice. Hearts work much better. For our last accessory, which is some rainbow suspenders, we're going to need at least 3 clasps like these. I got them from a local drugstore, therefore hanging up towels. We will also need some rainbow ribbon, as well as pliers and scissors. First, we'll remove the cords and open the clasps where the ribbon will be attached. Then we're going to replace the cord with a ribbon. Do this with 2 of the clasps and then we'll attach them to our doll of choice for the next step. We're going to see what size we'll need the ribbon to be, cut that off, and then attach the last clasp to both the ribbons. And we're done. So I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to share any of the DIYs with me, I would love to see them. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye!